Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is by Too Faced, the Born This Way foundation. This is what the foundation looks like outside of this box, and the shade that I've picked for myself is Porcelain. Before I go ahead and apply this on my face, I want to read a few things that are here in the back of the box. So this foundation is infused with coconut water, which aids in delicately replenish skin's moisture levels. Also infused with alpine rose, help empower skin health and resilience. Infused with hyaluronic acid, gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. It's oil-free. It has a medium to full coverage. It's hydrating, long-wearing, photo-friendly, and non-comedogenic. These are all the claims of this foundation. I have applied this before on my skin as per usual, and then I like to come here on YouTube and give you my personal experience. Even though I do have to be honest, I don't remember much of this foundation. I did apply it quite some time ago, probably like 2 weeks ago or something, and didn't really get stuck in my mind. I don't know if it's a positive or negative, but I do have a few things to say. So let's skip right through to makeup application. As usual, I have my skincare down. I've used the Origins Mega Mushroom line and also prepped and primed my skin with a vitamin-rich face base by Bobbi Brown. 1 pump of this foundation on the back of my hand, and I think with that should be more than enough to do my whole face. This is the foundation, slightly darker than the usual shades I would go for, but I wasn't sure which shade I should have gone for. Online is a little bit tricky, I'm sure everybody could agree. I'm going very lightly with it. I'm not going to start already with a lot of product. As per usual, I like to build my foundation up. I really start with a light coverage because I do prefer light coverage, so if I'm happy with just like a little layer, I'll just stop there and I want to apply more product. Like this foundation, it didn't really blow my mind. I don't know about you, but this foundation is very average to me. It doesn't feel like nothing special. It's pretty nice, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't have a wow factor for me for some reason. It just doesn't excite me, that's all. You know, I reviewed quite a lot of foundation now and still got more to come, and I don't know, this one I'm just meh. I don't know, it sounds mean, but I don't mean it in a mean way. It just I don't know, it just feels like a alright, nothing special here. It does oxidize, by the way. Look at the way it looks on the back of my hands now. It's gone darker, and of course it's gonna go darker on my skin as well, but I'm okay with it. I mean, I think it matches my neck pretty decently, so I'm not too worried about that. And as you can see, I'm just applying it. It does have a decent coverage. I mean, it does claim to be a medium to full coverage. To me, this feels more like a medium coverage. I guess if you go with a second layer, you can build it up to more of a full coverage. But I think I'll be okay with just this medium coverage. I can tell it's oxidizing. It's getting slightly more on the orange side, like orangey color. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know, I like it, but at the same time I don't. Like, I really want to like this foundation, but there's something about it that is not really exciting me. I'm like, will I reach for this foundation as often as I thought I was going to? No, I don't think so. Look, it's getting more orange. But yeah, I mean, it is alright. As you can see, the coverage is pretty decent. It doesn't feel drying, which is good. It feels like a second skin, which is good. It is oxidizing a little bit too much. Maybe it doesn't translate as well, that oxidization in camera, because I'm standing in front of a quite bright window. But it is oxidizing quite a bit. And I thought that porcelain wouldn't be that dark. But it's alright, it still matches my neck, so I'm not totally worried about this. Again, just checking the back of my hand is almost gone red. I'm just gonna play a little bit more like under my eyes to see if I can cover a little bit of the darkness. If I can build the coverage there. Yeah, I think you can build the coverage with this foundation. I can definitely see that it has given me just a little bit more coverage underneath the eyes where I've applied some extra foundation, so that's good. I'm gonna apply just a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown Instant Full Coverage Concealer and just do a little bit here and a little bit here. This Bobbi Brown concealer is pretty nice. I mean, I do have a review all dedicated to it, which I'll put the link on top here. It should come up somewhere. The only critiques I would have is just slightly too thick, but rather than that, it's a gorgeous concealer. Gosh, you probably won't be able to see in camera, but I look like I've been in a tanning salon. It's like I look tanned, like I've been to the seaside or something. Whoa! It's just this gorgeous concealer at least give me a little bit of a slight brightness under the eye at least. But whoa, oxidation is real. I do also have another Too Faced product that I want to use today, which I've used for a long time. I actually do like this product quite a lot. Is the Too Faced Primed Poreless Skin Smoothing Pressed Powder. I believe I have still the old packaging. I think they reformulated in a different packaging. Then you can see much loved, almost finished. I'm going to quickly use a smaller brush just to go in my under eye area and just to set here. This is a gorgeous powder, y'all. So good. I love it. It really works. And now with a bigger brush, I'm gonna go and finish and just tap it around my face. Beautiful. I mean, the powder is beautiful. As I said, the foundation, on the other hand, meh, it's alright. I'm not excited. I just don't want to repeat myself, but I'm not excited about the foundation, but I do really like the powder. I mean, I can understand why some people might be crazy about this foundation. Some people might like it because it's pretty smoothing. Some people might like it because it oxidizes. Is that a reason why you like foundation? I don't know. Some people might like it because some famous YouTubers use it, so this is not really liking, it's just an obsession. Or just gonna go very quickly off camera, do the rest of my face and come back and give you my final thoughts, even though I feel like I already gave you all my final thoughts, but see you shortly. I'm back and this is the final result. I didn't put a lot of bronzer on because I felt like, because it's gone quite dark, the foundation, I didn't want to look even darker than what it is, even though, as I said, probably in front of this bright natural daylight you won't be able to see how dark it got. I did apply a little bit of blush and also these gorgeous that I had now for years. Probably they've been discontinued now. The Wet n Wild, the one with the flower print on the top, which is, I forgot how beautiful the highlighter is. And a little bit of lip tint by Bobbi Brown. This is the extra lip tint in Berry Nude. But if you want more insight of the products that I've used, just go over to my Instagram. I do a little bit of I just put the all products together that I've used in case you're interested. And that's it. What else can I say? I do like the foundation. I did sound a little bit negative during this video about the foundation, but it's not about me don't liking the foundation. I just find it really plain as a foundation. I don't find it special, that's all. But it is a good foundation. I could see myself reaching to this foundation. Probably would be one of my last options. But yeah, it's alright. It's an alright foundation. But what I do really like, and now I've used for years now, is the Too Faced the Prime Poreless Skin Smoothing Powder. I do like that one. That is definitely one of my favorite powders I have. I do have other ones, but this is definitely one of the top ones up there. And I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this video, but also give it a thumbs up if you didn't like this video, because why not? Let's spread the love. Go and check my Instagram page and also follow me there if you want. It's at Glamstract as well as everywhere else, even though I don't really use any other social medias, but I'm subscribed to it, but I don't really use them. But yeah, Instagram. And while you're here on YouTube, why don't you just subscribe to my YouTube channel? It's just the red button down here. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.